I'm Jeff Hilgers. I'm the Director of Digital Services for Husqvarna Construction. I'm going to tell you a little bit about Husqvarna Fleet Services. Husqvarna Fleet Services is designed to do a few jobs that benefit the business of our customers. One is we measure runtime of our machines. We measure service interval management. We measure location, and then we also help our customers build a digital inventory. Particularly our Contractors Direct don't have great systems for managing their fleet, so we give them those web and mobile interfaces to manage that. At the heart of it all is the Husqvarna Fleet Services sensor. It's an interesting little guy. He has the ability to measure runtime on, for example, electromagnetic pulses on an electric machine, sparks on a gasoline machine. It also has an accelerometer. It speaks Bluetooth. The way that this works is that it gathers this runtime data and then fills up and then starts to broadcast and sends this data out via Bluetooth. We pick it up with a gateway, and on the internet we can show all the great data, runtime, service interval management, and so on. So we could put this sensor on really anything. Yeah, and this is the housing. So the sensor, a small battery, sensor is super smart, so it has an LED that blinks when I find the impulse that we're looking for. So we could put this on any of our equipment, no matter how old it is, and any other manufacturer's equipment. A lot of our customers ask us to put it on competitors' machines, which we do. These new machines that are so popular right now for people to look at represent, for example, the new PG830RC and the new DM400 are two of our first products that have embedded fleet inside them. And that means that we have a sensor inside the machine that's integrated with the onboard computer, which gives us an even further dimension of data, which is all of that rich data, fault codes, for example, overload, voltage, battery levels in the machine. Also, it means that you don't have to apply an external sensor to it, so onboarding a fleet is much faster. And that's it, all in an effort to make the machines more productive, more valuable, make more of a positive impact on our customers' businesses with digital services that support it. I'm now going to tell you about Tool Selector, which is a digital service we created. The idea there is to help our customers choose the right tooling for the job every time. So it's an app. It's starting with floor grinding. So what it does is you put in the different result that you would want to achieve, for example, hyperfloor. Then you would say the size of the floor, and then we would lead you through and create the recipe for the steps to create that result. It then includes the chemicals, the segments, and this is all basically to try to take the knowledge we have, that our application specialists have, put it into an app and put it in your fingertips so you get a better result. It also tells you how much the materials cost so you can have a more effective bidding process. So that's an example. We started with floor grinding. We'll roll that out to our different machines so that our customers always choose the right tooling. It's very easy. You first choose the type of result you're going for. You then choose the kind of machine that you have, and then you tell us the square footage, and then we do a calculation which takes a couple seconds. Then you're presented with a recipe which includes the steps, the chemicals, the segments, and it even is something you could email to the customer so that they know what the raw materials cost and everything. But it's really to help people learn the things that our application specialists have learned so that they get better results, better profitable results with a tool like that. I'm going to tell you a little bit about a pilot program we have called UpCare X. UpCare X is where we take one of our new drill motors like the DM400. The idea here is that some of our customers don't want to buy the machine and lock up capital in the purchase of machines, and they basically want to lease a machine or make payments on a machine. So what you can do, for example, with the DM400, for $140 a month, you have that drill motor. And the cool part about it is that every 6 months we'll change out that drill motor, so you'll get it overnighted. If anything ever goes wrong with that drill motor, we'll overnight a new one to you. The idea here is to keep you from binding up capital on machines if you don't want to do that, and to keep you at maximum uptime on your machines. It's available today, and we're just starting out on a small scale. If I use the reaction at water concrete as an indication, I think this program will grow quickly, and this will probably end up something that we will use globally. But we'll establish it here, work out the best way to serve the customer in this process, and then likely roll it out globally.